Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlighten video. In today's video, we will go over the new ndau NFT Forge. What is ndau? ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could now be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. Visit the ndau.io website for more information. In today's video, we're going to do a review of the new ndau NFT Forge. Getting started with the ndau NFT Forge. The ndau NFT Forge is designed to support hardworking content creators, artists, and social media influencers everywhere. With the ndau NFT Forge, you can create NFTs with no technical or programming knowledge and immediately sell your NFTs on your Shopify store, where your patrons and fans can easily purchase them with a credit card. And the NFT Forge by ndau lets you use any type of media you want in your NFTs, such as music, videos, images, and documents. This video series will walk you through the process of setting up an ndau NFT Forge account, creating an NFT, and putting your NFT up for sale on your own Shopify store. Why NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a powerful tool for artists who want to create content and more deeply engage with their fan bases. By leveraging blockchain technology, NFTs provide decentralization with built-in royalty opportunities, as well as the ability to create digital membership tokens. This gives artists a whole new way to monetize their work, host innovative members-only events, and expand their network of followers. With the internet, everyone becomes a content creator, influencer, distributor, or promoter, and NFTs represent the future of online media royalties management. With blockchain, royalties are instantaneously paid no matter where the media lives or who is transacting. How does ndau fit into the world of NFTs? This initial release version of the ndau NFT Forge allows you to pay for the creating, aka minting, of your NFTs using the Polygon chain cryptocurrency Matic, and you will receive any royalty payments in Matic as well. The next release of the ndau NFT Forge, coming next month, will add the ability to pay for minting fees using ndau. And finally, a future release of the ndau NFT Forge will add the ability to receive royalty payments in ndau. ndau's 3 pillars: a long-term store of value, multiple ways to earn staking yields, and a simple and secure user experience make it a perfect match to be used as a digital currency in the NFT space. For example, with the ndau NFT Forge, you will be able to receive NFT sales in ndau and keep your earnings in long-term store of value. Earn yields on your NFT earnings by simply holding your ndau in your NFT ndau wallet, and use your new ndau yields to pay for new NFT minting fees. Very exciting. In my upcoming videos, we will go through step by step how to get started with the ndau NFT Forge. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe down below for another weekly ndau Enlighten video. If you haven't done so already, download the updated version of the ndau wallet app and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.